Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cast the screen of your iPhone to your DREAME TV. So unfortunately, maybe not all of the DREAME TVs, but most of them do not natively support AirPlay, which is the main feature that allows you streaming your iPhone screen to your TV. But still, we have a third-party application that allows us to do it on most Google TVs, including your DREAME. And to do that, to use it, first we're gonna have to make sure that both your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So first of all, head to the quick settings menu by pressing the gear button on your remote control and open Wi-Fi section in here. And check which Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to. Then on your iPhone, check whether it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And if it is, then on your TV, go to the apps, and in the search field, search for the AirScreen application. So let's just input Air and tap the search button. Here you'll find AirScreen, AirPlay and Cast. Let's install this application. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. And once this application is installed on our TV, we're gonna have to open it and give it all the permissions that it requires. So let's just return to the home screen and let's go to the apps list and find the AirScreen here and open it. Let's tap continue. Okay, click OK, and then select ground. Then select while using the app. Select confirm, and then scan the QR code using your iPhone's camera. So just scan the QR code as you see on the screen, and you'll be redirected to a website that will connect you with your TV. Okay, and now we can consent or refuse agreeing to the cookies. Then if you see this cast conflict, this is a very common thing to happen. We can just cancel and not force restart our application. Then let's select change settings and let's find AirScreen in here and switch the toggle next to it. And after that, we're gonna have to basically swipe down the control center on our iPhone, tap the screen mirroring icon, and then tap on the device that appeared right here. Wait for a moment and the screen mirroring will begin. And now the screen of your iPhone is being mirrored to your TV. And that's basically how you do it. We can watch YouTube videos in full screen using this feature. And to stop the screen mirroring, just swipe down the control center on your iPhone again and tap on the screen mirroring option and then tap stop mirroring. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.